Welcome back, guys. This is the 1 year and 2 month update of our 38-way ceramic coatings and sealants longevity test. It's springtime in Texas, so of course everything is absolutely covered in pollen, as you see here. Moving on, I will leave the last 30 days weather as well as the lifetime weather that this hood has seen is on your screen now. Also, if you would like to support the channel, ways to do so are on your screen here to keep things unsponsored and free of any outside influences, as has always been the case with this channel. We're going to foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse it off to inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying everything off. If you've been following along with this test, you'll know that these products are getting very tired, and they've also experienced some pretty extreme high and low temperatures along with a decent amount of rain, slightly above average for our area, so that obviously has had an effect. Last month or the month before, we tried to do a decon wash to see if this would bring back any of these, and it really hasn't helped otherwise. So if you've got a minute, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you've used any of these products or if you're rooting for any. So let's jump into it, see how things are looking here. The spot that's marked ETHOS graphene coating is actually CQUARTZ UK topped with SIC, and it's not failed yet, but it's getting pretty tired. Glossit, also pretty tired, but you can see it's still slightly working. Moving on down to the CQUARTZ products, UK 3.0, SIC by itself, and CQUARTZ Lite. CQUARTZ Lite's been pretty impressive for me, especially because you get so much product for the money. I think it's like 200 mil or something like that. You can see all three are doing all right. They're obviously worse for wear like so many of these, but they're still doing their job. Soft 99 Fuso, we're finally going to call that one failed. It is finally at that point. It looked like the hydrophobic stayed pretty strong until about the 6 to 7 month mark, and then they started fading pretty quickly. BCC ceramic coating, sort of in the same. KB Diamond Plus, they're both pretty worse for wear, but they're hanging in there. Avalon King, sort of the same deal, as is HK Tianmei. It says JK on there, but it's HK. HK Tianmei and Waresian. Waresian looking like it's doing a little better, very similar to Avalon King. And then, of course, Nano Age 9H, which has always been a very strong performer. Cheap Chinese coating. Looks like, in my opinion, it's doing the best out of all of them in the test so far. And Jack's Wax we had failed last month. But yeah, look at Nano Age. It's Nano Age and CQUARTZ products. Both of those pretty impressive. And Addendum's Graphene, it is still hanging in there, albeit just barely. So the new failure this month is Soft 99 Fuso, and we've got several others that are really close. I don't think this hood's going to make it to the 2 year mark. We may stop this test at the 1.5 year mark because we've got a pretty good idea of where everything's going here. So again, if you've used any of these products, let me know your experience, and I'd appreciate the feedback. If there are other products that you haven't seen me test before, let me know in the comments, and I will write them down for when I start the next new test. And I do have a new test that started this month, and I have another new one starting on the 1st of April. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.